Hey guys, so today we are making broccoli tacos. Real fast and real quick. Hopefully it is real fast and real quick. Um, yeah, come this way. I'm just gonna put a little bit of, look, come this way. I'm using my new camera functions. So I have a little melody of broccoli, cilantro, leftover cilantro, and at the bottom you'll see when I dump it, I have onions and bell peppers. I'm just going to fry it. And we're just using the liquid from the broccoli. So the broccoli was frozen. And I'm just going to use the liquid from the broccoli and I'm going to cover it. And we shall do that. Now let's cover it. And this is Creative Kitchen. We don't know how long we're going to cook this broccoli. I'll tell you after, okay? I'll see. What is? It's 6:41. So I'm going to say about 20 minutes. Is this on? Oh no, it was on. So about 20 minutes. We'll cook it covered and have it soften up. Broccoli tacos on the way. Okay, so we're gonna put a cup of water. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure it don't burn, y'all. I should have put a little bit more water before, but it's okay. Okay. A cup of water. Boom. This looks amazing. I'm gonna do another cup. I'm gonna do one more cup. And then we're gonna add in our Taco Bell seasoning. Oh, I didn't take a screenshot. I don't want to screenshot like that. Thank you. And then put our Taco Bell seasoning in it. Taco Bell seasoning. 1 pack, and you may add another if you want to, if it's not seasoned to your liking. Let's see. I think I'm gonna add another. Chop the broccoli. I like my, you can do the broccoli however you want. I like my broccoli chopped. I like it really soft. How do you like yours? And chopped. Yeah, we like ours soft. Soft and chopped. Medium soft? Oh, I like mine a little bit soft. A lot soft. I'm gonna try to do it medium soft. I'm gonna see. This is my first time cooking in this little skillet. Going to taste it. Let's see if we need to add more. That is good. You're funny. One more. Can you hand me that taco seasoning in the back? Don't. No, I didn't want it open. Sorry. I want to do a thumbnail. I should have told you. All right. And then you just dress them how you want.